In front of me is POCO M7 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening Settings and clicking on About Phone at the top. Now select the device name above Storage and type in whatever you want to, like Sunny. When you're ready to save your device's name, click on this checkmark at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!